Welcome to how to draw a palm tree Christmas tree card. It helps me a lot when I plan to position my drawing. I'm thinking about the star for this particular picture, and I start at the top by drawing 5 dots, and those help guide me as I draw the lines to make the points of the stars. It really helps me to get much more even star to do that. And as you can see, I'm slowly measuring with every single side of the star that I make because I find it very tricky. Sometimes if it's a little too tricky, I draw just a regular 5-pointed star in pencil really lightly and kind of draw around it and adjust, if that helps. Turning my paper makes it easier for me to draw the angles of the leaves, and with these palm leaves I start at the star and go out. It doesn't really matter exactly how far out they go, but I really do want these palm trees to match up with the star, and that's why I start at the star. And you can see I started by balancing my tree with 2 big palm leaves that sort of set the stage. All the rest of my leaves are just going to be drawn in around to fill in the space. Always thinking about how I want the overall balance of the palm tree to look when I'm done. And it's okay to just fill in with a little corner of a leaf here or there because trees are not symmetrical exactly. Next, I'm thinking about the trunk, and I wanted to draw my trunk a little bit curved because I was thinking that it is swaying in the wind maybe, and it moves with the breeze. And next I'm thinking about the land, and this is a little island, so I made my island ground and I left a little space so that I could draw the leaves of some reeds just to make a little bit more balance in my picture. And you can add as many as you want. I've heard it said that sometimes even numbers are great and sometimes odd numbers. Here I had an even number. I made an eye here to set where I have my bird, and then slowly I draw the round part of his head, followed by his beak, and then his body comes off of there with his back next, and then instead of the bottom of the bird, I just draw some little waves of water. Soon I am ready to add the last little details, some details on the trunk, and then I will start working on some Christmas tree ornaments hanging down from the tree, and I will position them just evenly hanging from the leaves of the palm tree so they look very festive and fun. You can put as many as you want, and I'm just sort of looking as I go and adding them in at equal distances, but not too equal because I want them to look natural. And there it is, the palm tree Christmas tree card, and it's ready to color in and send to someone you care about. And here is mine. My sister lives in a tropical location, so I'm going to send one to her and to her family. Have fun, enjoy the season.